Hello friends, welcome in today's session. Today we have to solve this sum 1 upon m plus 1 upon n is equal to 1 upon 14 and we have to find out the value of m plus n. This expression is symmetric. So to solve this sum, let m is equal to 14 plus x, and here we have to find out n in terms of x. Given that 1 upon m plus 1 upon n is equal to 1 upon 14, so we can write here 1 upon m plus 1 upon n is equal to 1 upon 14. Put this value of m in this expression, hence 1 upon 14 plus x plus 1 upon n, this is equal to 1 upon 14. Let us simplify this. Subtracting 1 upon 14 plus x on both sides, minus of 1 upon 14 plus x, and on this side also minus of 1 upon 14 plus x. Hence, on left hand side, this 1 upon 14 plus x gets cancelled with this 1 upon 14 plus x. On left hand side remains only 1 upon n. Hence, this gives 1 upon n is equal to 1 upon 14 minus 1 upon 14 plus x. Simplify right hand side. So this is equal to LCM of right hand side will be 14 into this 14 plus x, and in numerator 14 gets cancelled with this, so 1 into this bracket, that is 14 plus x, minus 14 plus x gets cancelled with this, then 1 into 14, and this is equal to, here this 14 cancels with this 14, remains only x in numerator. Hence, x upon 14 into 14 plus x, and this is 1 upon n. Now taking reciprocal on both sides, reciprocal of left hand side, that will be n, and reciprocal of right hand side will be 14 into 14 plus x divided by x. So n in terms of x is this one, and our assumption is m is equal to 14 plus x. Now let us find m plus n. Here m is our assumption 14 plus x, and n is this value which is obtained 14 into 14 plus x divided by x. Let us simplify this part. So this is equal to 14 plus x plus 14 into 14, that is 196, plus 14 into x, 14x divided by x. So m plus n can be written as 14 plus x plus 196 divided by x plus 14x divided by x. Now here this x cancels with this x, hence m plus n is equal to 14 plus 14, 28, plus x plus 196 divided by x. keep this in bracket. Since given expression is symmetric, hence we can write x plus 196 divided by x is equal to also 28. Hence we can write, since given expression is symmetric, hence x plus 196 divided by x, this is equal to 28. Simplify this, multiplying both sides by x into x into x. This gives x into x, x square, plus x into 196 divided by x gets cancelled. 196 is equal to 28x. Taking all terms on one side, x square minus 28x plus 196, this is equal to 0. This equation is quadratic in x. Now factors of 196, that will be 14 into 14. This can be written as x square minus 28x plus minus 14 into minus 14. This is equal to 0. Hence x square minus 14x plus 196 is equal to 0. Taking x common from these two terms and minus 14 common from these two terms, hence x into bracket remains x minus 14, minus 14 is taken common, into bracket remains x minus 14. This is equal to 0. Now take this bracket common from these two terms on left hand side. Hence we can write x minus 14 into x minus 14 is equal to 0. This is nothing but x minus 14 its square is equal to 0. Hence x minus 14 is equal to 0, and this gives x is equal to 14. But m is equal to 14 plus x, and x is 14, so put here 14 plus 14. Hence m is equal to 14 plus 14 is 28. Value of m is 28. And you know, n is equal to 14 into 14 plus x divided by x. Replace x by 14. Hence n is equal to 14 into 14 plus 14 divided by 14. And here this 14 gets cancelled with this 14. Hence n is equal to also 28. m is equal to 28 as well as n is also 28. Hence m plus n is equal to 28 plus 28 is equal to 56. Hence, m plus n is equal to 56, which is final answer. In this way, we have solved this sum. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.